My brother, my sister, I there for Anambra State or by Anambra State. You get wetin happen to this family. In fact, it's a very terrible situation. Then 8 food poison. 6 people ate that food poison in this family. Only 3 survived. Other 3 people died. It's a very terrible situation. This family are now in pain. So before I continue, make we hear from them and know exactly what happened. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Please, can you tell us what really happened, please?
And even myself, I was surprised. So it happens on Thursday. The normal food I used to cook for my children. The normal food we used to eat. I cooked on Thursday. After eating on Friday, I don't know, only God knows. So my last child came back from school, started vomiting.
He came back from school, started vomiting?
Yes.
On Friday?
On Friday.
But you cooked that food on Thursday?
Thursday, yes.
Okay, yes.
So on Saturday morning, she died.
She died?
I lost her. Like play. My 19 years old daughter just for the same victim. She died at the hospital. Then my 3rd child, 14 years old, she just finished junior WAEC at Ojoto Secondary School. The same thing. We rushed her to the hospital. She now died. Before you know it, one guy, Uche Okonkwo, I don't know the name, I can't remember the name of the group, but all I know is that the guy now came into the matter. Then took us to Oka, Nofia. That's where the remaining ones survived. That is all I know.
Okay, but
and one group, women group like that, I don't know their names. Many people came into the matter, but I thank God for everything. I thank God for our life.
6 of you ate the poison?
Yes.
Ate the food, and the 3 died.
God.
So, but 3, okay, now.
Survived. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, this young man.
Yes.
And you.
Yes,
and
yes.
Okay.
The remaining, they are my sons.
Okay.
Only 2 survived. 3 girls gone.
Okay, 3 girls.
Yes.
May God have mercy.
There were 5. 3 gone. Remaining 2.
Okay, all your daughters.
My 3 girls, my 3 daughters gone. Remaining 2 boys.
Okay, but you people receive treatment in the hospital when you people notice that the thing started affecting you people?
Yes.
Amara m ebe m mebido. Ife ndị ikwu na m amara ebe m mebido bụ ife a rime ọnụ. Anọ ụmụaka na-ejere m ozi. Ụmụaka na-emelu m everything. Ụmụaka enwekwa m accident. Enwe m accident melu arụ. Aka nọ n'ime tupu ife a wee mee. So enwere m amara m etu m esi bido wee kwu ya bụ okwu. Ya ka m kwuo, even though na nwunye m every time ka ya na-ebe akwa. Amara ejide n'ibe a, mba ejide n'ibe a, onye sikwa ọ bụrụ ya. Mụnwa sef anọkwatara ebe a nọ. Because na ụmụaka mbọsị anwụ nke a na-akpọ nke adanwụ ụwa gwụrụ n'ụlọ. Ụwa ndị ife a, ndị nke fancha jupụta na-ebe akwa ndị mmadụ na-ebe. Etu esi buruzie gaba n'ụlọ ọgwụ etu a. Ruo n'ụlọ ọgwụ anọcha ndị nke apụta nke fa. Ụmụaka nwatakịrị na-ebe, ya nwere na-ebe afọ m anyị amara ife ọ tiri mgbe eji kpọrọ ya gazie n'ụlọ ọgwụ ka a sịzi nọ ife dị etu a. Ndị helpers wee pụtazie, ndị adua ife na-apụta na-agabazi ka anyị jebezie n'ebe a kwa ifu ebe n'ihe ụmụaka.
Ụmụnne m, ihe a bụ something that happened and we are witnesses to it. when the thing happened, it was like it's a serious issue. We are running helter-skelter to see if we can provide solution. And we could not. In fact, it was something that became more than the way we expected it. It started like that. The younger one started vomiting, and it was in the night. Before we know it, that small Kamsi died. The other morning, Favor started. We were there looking at how we can bury the small one. Chinecherem was almost dying in the room without anybody knowing it. So when the mother now called Chinecherem, all of us opened the door and saw Chinecherem lying with foam in her mouth. We quickly picked her up, carried her up, and rushed to the hospital. When we got to that place, they were using oxygen to try to revive her. And all the effort was, the doctor tried anyway. Then finally, the cut the long story short, Chinecherem died. This is where we buried Chinecherem.
Okay, this is where we buried Chinecherem.
This is Chinecherem. This is where we buried Chinecherem. And Favor too became Favor's own became serious. So we are now running from one hospital to another. We are running from one hospital to another, and people we are like assisting and trying to see because it was something else. So finally, at the same time, Favor did not make it. This is where we also buried Favor. This is Favor's grave. So Favor was also buried. The little one, we buried her at the back.
Okay, at the back.
At the back here. At the back. That one is inside the farm.
Okay, the little one.
So that one is very tender. So we buried that one at the back there. So this is the grave of the two of them. This is the grandmother. This is their grandmother. This is their father. Yes, the grandmama. So that is exactly what happened. In fact, it's just something we pray that such a thing should not happen to anybody. We are not praying that any family should experience this thing. In fact, it was a heavy thing that happened. But we thank God. There's nothing we can do. So sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay, because if you look very well, this is the youngest one among them. This is the youngest one. The one that took after this one died, and the one that took before this one also died. So he's the youngest. He's the youngest one. Now, if you look at this one, is the last one that went to the hospital. If you look at his body, he's still undergoing some treatment. If you look at his body, I don't know actually what is happening. Some people are saying whether it's measles or whatever, but I cannot just really tell. But I know that as he's standing now, he's still undergoing some treatment. If you open his body, you see that some of his body is just like that. So he's undergoing some treatment. So that is it. That is it.
Please, my brother, my sisters. Mommy, please call your account number. Please call your account number. Please. Wait. Is it?
000-733-8066.
Call it again.
000-733-8066.
The name of the bank?
Access Bank.
The name where they go say in that bank?
Chiamaka Agnes Okeke.
Okay. Please, my brothers, my sisters, Igbo, make una support this family. Please, it's a very terrible situation. May God bless you as you do so. So, my brothers, my sisters, in fact, this family are in pain. So please, they will call their number. They will call their phone number. If you know how you will tell them sorry, if you know how you will talk to them or any support or any help, please, they will call their number. Please call them on phone. Igbo, Olugomi, family highly food poison, mother 6, mother 3 and survive, or mother 3 and 1. And the mother 3 and get now, even if you look for this child skin, the thing come out, even his leg, the thing come out. So now they still they receive treatment.
Yes.
And then they see they receive treatment. You uncle. And all of them still they receive treatment for the poison to die in their body. So they are passing a lot of challenge. Please support them, help them, support them, help them. They are still they receive treatment. Mommy, please call your phone number. Please call your phone number. 080 344 697 90. Call it again. 080 344 697 90. Ụmụnne m ndị Igbo, biko nụ, ezinụlọ a, you people should help them.